angle A CD. Okay, this one. What is happening? Sine of angle C is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, which is H over B. Okay, and then I can make H the surface of the formula by multiplying by B on both sides. So I will have B sine C is equal to H, and then I'll call this equation 1. Okay, and then now I am considering the big triangle, like this triangle ABC. Okay, that is the triangle that I'm considering. So I will say in triangle ABC. Okay, this is what is happening. The area is equal to a half times the base, half times base times the height. Now in this situation, you have to actually write the full words base and the height, because if you just write B, then you will be in trouble, because you will be confusing us with this B, because B is a side in this triangle. So if you will write the equation of the area, you have to write half times the base times the height. Okay, and then after this you will say a half times the base. Now the base in our case is BC, and BC is this side, side A, so it will be a half side A times the perpendicular.
Hey there, please note that this was just a portion of the actual session. You can find the complete session on our YouTube channel. I have attached the link to the channel on the comment section. Go check it out. Don't forget to like, share, and follow us on all social media platforms. See you on the next